I was a member of a different group for a few years, and my agency's growth direction was not beneficial with that group anymore based on how the compensation was structured. And so I had made a decision to kind of leave and look for another option that might be still give me the stability of, a numbers, because strength in numbers is definitely a need in the independent insurance world. I was a part of another group, and the way that my agency's growth was trending, it was not as financially beneficial as it had been. As I started to look for other options that would be, more beneficial to me financially, TAG was a great option, just based on the way that they structured their financial support. They offered plenty of resources, plenty of insurance carriers. In no way were holding me back on the growth and the direction that I really wanted to go. So TAG was extremely supportive and was very encouraging to me to join the group, just based on the financial support and the pay structure for profit sharing and commission splits and whatnot that they were bringing to the table. I chose TAG over other groups because of the relationships that I knew people involved with that group had in the insurance industry, and because of the structure of their financial compensation. For me, really, it's just people and money. People and money. That's it. I mean, the carriers, the support but that comes back to relationships. The relationships that they had or I had with, companies that were a member of that group. So with TAG's brand promise of together achieving greatness, to me, that includes constantly growing with new carriers and new relationships. And it's never fails. It almost seems like month in and month out, there's a new carrier opportunity that's being provided to the agents or the agencies. So since this pandemic has began, we have had more opportunities to quote new insurance for personal lines and for commercial lines, because people are they're more concerned than they have been about their finances, and they've had more free time as they're being quarantined and whatnot to actually take the time and look into their own insurance coverages. So we have been busier than we've been in a long time, just based on those type of opportunities. Once I joined TAG, any of the fears or concerns that I may have had business-wise were never arose. It's been very seamless. For me, there's really been no problems at all.